You need to hear this. It's about the emergence of the first jawed vertebrates in our ancient seas, marking a turning point in the evolution of life on Earth. While not a nightmare, this event heralded the rise of diverse predatory lineages that would shape marine ecosystems for millions of years. Imagine an underwater world where most creatures are soft and squishy, with no hard parts or defenses, just tentacles and gelatinous bodies. Then one day, something changes. A small fish-like creature develops a set of sharp-toothed jaws. This evolutionary innovation is akin to the first time a kid gets braces, but instead of metal, it's bone and teeth. This development marks the beginning of an era dominated by predators with hard mouthparts, forever altering the dynamics of marine ecosystems. This isn't just any fish. We're talking about a creature called Acanthodes. Yeah, try saying that 3 times fast. And what makes it remarkable is its role as an ancestor to modern cartilaginous fishes like sharks and rays. While you might not be directly descended from these creatures, they represent an important evolutionary link between ancient jawed fishes and the diverse lineages of vertebrates today, including humans through our shared ancestry with bony fish. Now here's the thing, jaws changed everything. Before jawed vertebrates like acanthodes, there were no true predators in the oceans. Life was simpler for everyone. But once this little fish with its tiny set of teeth came along, it all went to hell. Suddenly, being soft and squishy wasn't safe anymore. The moment those first jaws appeared, the game had a new rule: survive or be eat. And survival meant getting tougher. So let's jump ahead millions of years to see something truly terrifying emerge from these humble beginnings. Sharks like Megalodon, not just any shark, but one of the largest predators in Earth's history. Imagine it, massive beasts swimming through ancient oceans with rows upon rows of sharp teeth, capable of taking down even large marine mammals. But wait, there's more. It gets even stranger. This evolutionary leap didn't just create predators. It also spurred the development of prey species that were equally remarkable in their adaptations. Fish began evolving scales and armor plates as defensive measures against these new predatory threats. Some fish species developed spines to deter potential attackers. The ocean transformed into a complex ecosystem where every creature had to adapt and evolve to survive. Now, the part that breaks me is still coming. Sharks weren't alone in this arms race. Instead of placodermy, which were indeed heavily armored prehistoric fish, picture something even more incredible: giant predatory placoderms like Gorgonishes or Arthrodira. These creatures looked like nothing you've ever seen before, covered from head to toe in bony armor plates and equipped with powerful jaws brimming with rows of sharp teeth. And here's the kicker. These guys didn't just defend, they attacked with lethal force. Their enormous jaws were lined with rows of sharp, serrated teeth capable of slicing through flesh and bone with ease. It's as if nature decided one day, let's make everything a little more formidable. But this isn't all ancient history either. Jawed ancestors evolved into the creatures we know today, such as sharks, rays, and bony fish like tuna and cod. The lineage that led to your dinners, bony fish, may share a common ancestor with these ancient jawed fishes, making them distant relatives indeed. So here's what nobody tells you. Every time you see a shark or any other creature with a mouth full of sharp teeth, remember that it all started around 450 million years ago with one tiny jaw on an insignificant little fish. This moment marked the beginning of life in the ocean, becoming both deadly and fascinatingly brutal, as these early jaws allowed for more effective predation and competition among marine species. Can you imagine? Can you actually picture that? Subject: the day jaws first appeared in the ancient seas. First comes Acanthodes, then comes an evolutionary arms race, where every creature tries to outdo each other with armor and teeth. It's like a scene from a horror movie. But it actually happened hundreds of millions of years ago, as jawed vertebrates evolved more sophisticated defenses and predatory adaptations in a world filled with diverse marine life. Now let's talk about something that'll blow your mind: the size. Some of these ancient jawed fish were enormous. Think about the length of a school bus or bigger. Imagine encountering one of those leviathans in the primeval seas as you try to avoid its razor-sharp teeth. It's insane. And it gets even stranger. The ocean was filled with not just sharks, but also creatures that looked like nothing we have today. Think of Gemuxaliscus, a creature with armor plates all over and rows upon rows of teeth. This thing was an absolute monster, swimming around looking for anything to devour. Gemuxaliscus lived during the late Cretaceous period, thriving in marine environments where it competed with other formidable predators for resources. But here, as the gut punch, it didn't stop there. These jawed fish gave rise to even more terrifying creatures that we still see today. Think about Megalodon, a shark so big, its teeth alone could rival a human being in size. Imagine diving into an ocean where these behemoths ruled around 23 to 2.6 million years ago during the Pliocene and Miocene epochs. The part that hits me hardest is how every single animal had to adapt just to survive. It's like living in a world where danger lurks around every corner. And yet, despite all the chaos and brutality, life found ways to thrive, sometimes in the most horrifying ways imaginable. Take, for example, the rise of predatory marine reptiles during the Mesozoic era, creatures that turned ancient seas into battlegrounds, making survival a daily struggle for other aquatic life forms. Subject: the dawn of jawed predators in ancient seas. So here's what I'm telling you. The evolution of jaws was the beginning of an arms race that has been going on for millions of years. Every creature with teeth and armor is a reminder of that pivotal moment when jawed predators first appeared, rapidly changing the dynamics of marine ecosystems. And then, everything scientists thought they knew about early life in the ocean began to shift dramatically. The appearance of the first jaws marked a pivotal moment, rewriting the possibilities for aquatic predators and diversifying marine ecosystems. This evolutionary milestone continues to influence our understanding of underwater life even today. Can you imagine being a soft-bodied creature one day and then encountering these terrifying predators with massive teeth in the ancient seas? It's mind-blowing and slightly horrifying to think about the first appearance of such formidable hunters like sharks or ichthyosaurs, which marked a turning point in marine ecosystems. So here's the deal. The evolution of jaws was the start of it all, and they changed everything. Everything you thought was safe suddenly wasn't secure anymore, as predators could now grasp and tear their prey apart. Life became tougher, more brutal, but also incredibly fascinating. And that's why we're still talking about this today, because every single creature with teeth is a reminder of those first pivotal moments when jaws appeared in the ancient seas, heralding a new era of predation and survival. And now, hold onto your seats, because the part that breaks me is coming. Imagine swimming alongside one of these ancient sharks as it tears through everything in its path. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. And yet, here we're today with creatures just as deadly and amazing. So there you have it. Jaws were the beginning, and they set off a chain reaction that has been ongoing for millions of years. Every creature we see today with teeth is part of this incredible evolutionary story. And every time you look at one, remember how it all started. On a day when life in the ocean transitioned from soft-bodied organisms to fierce predators armed with robust jaws and teeth. And now, hold that thought. We're about to dive even deeper into what happened next, revealing secrets that'll change everything you think you know about these ancient seas. We'll explore how new predators emerged, transforming the marine ecosystem through relentless competition and adaptation. Are you ready? Because this is only the beginning of an epic tale of survival and incredible transformation. But wait, there's more. The moment Jaws appeared wasn't just a start. It was a catalyst for explosive evolutionary innovation. Suddenly, every creature had to evolve new strategies to survive, leading to an incredible diversity of forms that we can still marvel at today. Here's where it gets really interesting. Acanthodes was an early ancestor to both cartilaginous fishes like sharks and bony fishes like tuna and cod. Imagine swimming alongside one of these ancient jawed fish as it glides through the water, its teeth slicing through prey with deadly efficiency. How could anything survive in such a world? In fact, Acanthodes lived over 300 million years ago during the Carboniferous period, long before sharks and bony fishes diversified into the myriad forms we see today, marking a crucial step in the evolution of jawed vertebrates. And here's the thing. Every single creature that evolved jaws was part of this evolutionary arms race. Some developed armor plates, some grew spines, others just got bigger or more robust. It's like nature said, let's see who can be the toughest, and everyone tried to win. But here's the gut punch. It wasn't just about getting tough. These jawed fish also gave rise to creatures that are still around today, such as sharks with teeth capable of cutting through virtually any prey. And yet, despite all this brutality, life found ways to thrive and diversify over time, leading to an incredible array of marine predators and prey. So here's the deal. The evolution of jaws was the beginning of an arms race that reshaped every corner of our ancient seas. Every creature with teeth and armor is a reminder of those pivotal moments when jawed predators emerged, rapidly diversifying and evolving new defenses and offensive weaponry. This transformative period marked the rise of gnathostomes, jawed vertebrates, and dramatically altered marine ecosystems, setting the stage for the diverse and complex oceanic life we see today. And then, everything scientists thought they knew about early vertebrate evolution in the sea shifted dramatically. The appearance of the first jawed fish rewrote our understanding of aquatic ecosystem dynamics and the evolutionary trajectory of life underwater. This pivotal moment laid the foundation for the diverse marine fauna we see today. Imagine being a soft-bodied creature living in the ancient seas, going about your daily life until suddenly encountering monstrous predators armed with rows of razor-sharp teeth. This evolutionary milestone marks the emergence of the first jawed vertebrates, heralding a new era where creatures like sharks could roam the oceans, instilling fear and altering ecosystems forever. So here's the real gut punch. Jaws were the start of it all, and they set off a chain reaction that has been going on for millions of years. Every creature we see today with teeth is part of this incredible story, tracing back to when early vertebrates in the ocean developed hard jaws instead of soft mouthparts. And every time you look at one, remember how it all started, on a day when life in the ocean went from soft to savage, marking the beginning of evolutionary adaptations that would lead to the diverse array of marine predators we know today. And now, hold onto your seats, because the part that breaks me is coming. Imagine swimming alongside one of these ancient apex predators as it slices through the water, preying on other marine life. It's like nothing you've ever seen before, and yet here we're today with creatures just as deadly and amazing, all tracing back to this evolutionary milestone. So there you have it. Jaws were the beginning, and they set off a chain reaction that has been going on for millions of years. Every creature we see today with teeth is part of this incredible evolutionary story. And every time you look at one, remember how it all started, when life in the ocean transitioned from soft-bodied organisms to fierce predators equipped with robust jaws and teeth. And now, we're about to dive even deeper into what happened next, and it's going to change everything you think you know about these ancient seas. Are you ready? Because this is where a new era begins, marked by the rise of apex predators that would transform marine ecosystems forever. But wait, there's more. The emergence of jaws wasn't just a beginning. It was the catalyst for an explosive phase of evolutionary diversification. Suddenly, every creature had to evolve new adaptations to survive, leading to incredible innovations still evident in modern species. Here's where it gets really interesting. Acanthodes was a key transitional group leading to modern sharks and bony fish like tuna and cod. Imagine swimming alongside one of these ancient jawed creatures as it navigates the primordial seas, its presence marking a critical moment in evolutionary history when vertebrates began to diversify into predators and prey. How could anything survive and thrive in such an evolving world? Subject: the day jaws first appeared in ancient seas. And here's the thing. Every single creature that evolved jaws was part of this evolutionary arms race. Some developed armor plates, some grew spines, others just got bigger and more predatory. It's like nature said, let's see who can be the toughest. And everyone tried to win, leading to a diverse array of adaptations in ancient seas. But here's the gut punch. It wasn't just about getting tough. These jawed fish also gave rise to creatures that are still around today, such as sharks with teeth capable of cutting through anything in their path. And yet, despite all this brutality, life found ways to thrive and diversify over time, leading to an incredible array of marine predators and prey. So here's the deal. The appearance of jaws marked the beginning of an evolutionary arms race that dramatically reshaped marine ecosystems. Every creature with teeth or protective armor serves as a testament to those pivotal moments when jawed predators emerged, driving rapid diversification and adaptation in ancient seas. And then, everything scientists thought they knew about early vertebrate evolution shifted dramatically. The appearance of the first jaws marked a revolutionary development in marine ecosystems, fundamentally changing predator-prey dynamics and diversification patterns. This evolutionary leap continues to influence aquatic life even today. What's your reaction to that? Can you imagine being a soft-bodied creature one day and then encountering these terrifying predators with teeth patrolling the ancient seas? It's mind-blowing and slightly horrifying, marking a dramatic shift in marine ecosystems. So here's the real gut punch. Jaws were the start of it all, and they set off a chain reaction that has been going on for millions of years. Every creature we see today with teeth is part of this incredible story, tracing back to when ancient marine life evolved hard, toothed jaws from once soft mouthparts. And every time you look at one, remember how it all started, on a day when life in the ocean went from soft and simple to savage and diverse. And now, hold onto your seats, because the part that breaks me is coming. Imagine swimming alongside one of these ancient predators as it dominates its aquatic realm. These were the first vertebrates to evolve true jaws, marking a pivotal moment in the history of life on Earth. Their emergence set the stage for the evolution of all jawed animals, including us humans. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. And yet, here we're today with creatures just as deadly and amazing, directly descended from these ancient pioneers. So there you have it. Jaws were the beginning, and they set off a chain reaction that has been going on for millions of years. Every creature we see today with teeth is part of this incredible story. And every time you look at one, remember how it all started, when life in the ocean evolved from soft-bodied filter feeders to fierce predators equipped with robust jaws and sharp teeth. This pivotal moment marked the dawn of a new era in marine predation. And now, we're about to dive even deeper into what happened next, and it's going to change everything you think you know about these ancient seas. Are you ready? Because this is only the beginning of an epic tale of adaptation, evolution, and incredible transformation.